English. I am studying in Purushottam classes. So I am doing an experiment on Buoyant force or upthrust. So in this experiment I need a jar, transparent, and some float and sink substances. So first we put a nail. It sinks because its molecules are very tight. We put a cap of bottle, so it didn't sink. It is floating. So its molecules are not tight. So we are putting a flower. It is floating because of the molecules are not tight. We put a garlic, so it is floating because its molecules are not tight.